In this video, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up and configuring the integration between your account and Shopify. This integration allows you to automatically sync your Shopify store data, such as products, variants, sales, and contacts with your account. Let's begin by navigating to the Stock and Buy page on the Shopify App Store. Click on Add App to initiate the integration process. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Following that, you'll be directed to your Shopify store to grant access to your account on our platform. Upon completing these initial steps, you'll seamlessly transition to our platform to configure your Shopify integration settings. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge and confidence to maximize the potential of your Shopify integration with our platform. So without further ado, let's jump into the details of each setting and optimize your e-commerce workflows. The Shopify Integration configuration page is your gateway to tailor the synchronization process according to your specific needs. The integration settings have 4 main sections. First on our list is the inventory level synchronization. Your inventory level synchronization allows you to define how your inventory level should be synced with Shopify, and you can configure the sync in 3 ways. First, the Do Not Sync. Inventory levels between the platform and Shopify are entirely disconnected in this mode. Changes performed in your account will not sync to Shopify. Inventory level changes performed in Shopify won't sync to your account either. This mode offers complete isolation between Shopify and the platform. Next is Sync from Stock and Buy to Shopify. When this mode is enabled, inventory levels are synced only from your account to Shopify. This means the platform is responsible for managing your stock levels. Any changes made to your inventory levels, such as adjustments, transfers, and purchases, must be made within your account. When inventory level changes are recorded in your account, they automatically sync to your connected Shopify stores. Lastly, Sync from Shopify to Stock and Buy. When you enable this mode, your inventory levels will only sync in one direction, which is from Shopify to your account. This means that Shopify becomes the primary source for your stock levels. Although you can still perform inventory level changes like stock adjustments, transfers, and purchases in your account, keep in mind that the stock level figures might be inaccurate since they will be overwritten by Shopify. The following section in the Shopify integration settings is location mapping. Once you integrate Shopify with our platform, it will automatically capture the locations that you have in Shopify. These locations will appear on the left side of the location mapping section. It is important to map each location in Shopify to the corresponding location in your account to ensure that your inventory levels are accurately reflected in both systems. If you haven't created any location or warehouses in your account, you can easily do so by creating a location on the right side corner of the location mapping section. Next is product synchronization. This section of the configuration page allows you to define how your product information, such as the product name, description, and tags, should be synced with your Shopify store. The first step to setting up product synchronization is to define how to match similar products across multiple stores. This option is only visible if you have more than one Shopify store connected to your account. There are 3 ways similar products across stores can be identified. First is by name. This mode considers product with similar names as the same and links them together. Second is by SKU. This mode consider products with similar SKUs as the same and links them together. Third is by barcode. This mode considers products with similar barcodes as the same and links them together. Next is how you like the platform to sync your product information. You can set up your products to sync in 4 ways. First is Do Not Sync. In this mode, product information between your account and Shopify is completely disconnected. Changes made in your account won't sync to Shopify and vice versa. This mode ensures a complete separation between Shopify and the platform. Second is sync from stock and buy to Shopify. In this mode, product information will only sync from your account to Shopify. This configuration will make the platform the master of your product details. Any changes made directly in Shopify will be overwritten by the system. Third is sync from Shopify to stock and buy. In this mode, product information will only sync from Shopify to your account. This configuration will make Shopify the master of your product details. Any changes made directly to your account will be overwritten by Shopify. Fourth is sync both ways. In this mode, product information will sync in both directions. Any changes made in Shopify will automatically sync to your account, and any changes made in your account will automatically sync to your Shopify store. There will be 2 additional configurations if you choose to sync from your account to Shopify or sync both ways. You can decide whether to automatically synchronize new products created in your account to Shopify and publish newly created products to your web channel. You just need to toggle the button based on your preference. If you want to have more control over the synchronization of your Shopify and your account, you can choose to sync specific attributes such as the product name, description, tags, and options. You can easily do this by selecting the checkboxes for the attributes you want to sync. This way, you can ensure that only the attributes you need are synchronized between the 2 platforms. Lastly, we have pricing synchronization. This section allows you to define how your pricing information will sync between your account and Shopify. When you install a store in your account, the system will ask you to assign a price list to your product prices on your store. If your store has a currency other than your base currency, you must create a price list in your store's currency and choose that price list for your store. You have 3 options to sync your pricing information between your account and Shopify. First is Do Not Sync. In this mode, the pricing information in both platforms is completely disconnected. Changes made in your account will not sync to Shopify and vice versa. This option provides complete isolation between the 2 platforms. Second is sync from your account to Shopify. In this mode, the pricing information will only sync from your account to Shopify. Any changes made to product prices in Shopify will be overwritten by your account. This option works best if you use your account as the master of your pricing information. Note that this mode is not recommended if you have third-party apps that changes prices in Shopify. Third is sync from Shopify to stock and buy. In this mode, product information will only sync from stock and buy to your account. Any changes made to product prices in your account will be overwritten by Shopify. This option works best if you use Shopify as the master of your pricing information. You can also define the pricing list to store your product pricing information. This is called price list. You can choose which price list you would like to assign to product prices and compare at prices in your store. Lastly, you can synchronize your cost data between the 2 platforms in 2 modes. First is Do Not Sync. The cost information on both platforms is completely disconnected and changes made on one platform won't sync to the other. Second is sync from stock and buy to Shopify. When using this mode, cost information will only sync in one direction, from your account to Shopify. This setup means that your account is the primary source of your pricing information. If you make any changes to your product prices in Shopify, they will be overwritten by the information in your account. After setting up the integration with Shopify, the system will start importing all of your products from Shopify. You will receive an email once the import is finished, and you'll see your products listed in your account. And this is how it would look like after the import. You can also check your activity feed to look out for errors. Now that we have given you the confidence to utilize your Shopify integration fully, you can efficiently manage your inventory, products, and pricing with precision. As you embark on this integration journey, make sure to customize the settings to meet your business needs, ensuring smooth synchronization. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and we hope it has been helpful. Stay tuned for more informative content, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out.